Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. Want to provide an update here on ticker TWTR or Twitter. Looking at a recent news story here from a few minutes ago, what you need to know to trade Twitter ahead of Thursday's earnings. So it says Twitter is set to announce first quarter earnings on Thursday, and some analysts expect the microblogging platform to again incur losses on the back of its increased infrastructure and marketing spending and tight competition. The company, once among the most popular social media channels globally, has become old news, particularly to young people, with the emergence of platforms like TikTok and Snapchat. Facebook remains the market leader among social networking sites globally in 2022 in terms of the number of monthly active users, while Twitter has lagged far behind WhatsApp, Instagram, WeChat, TikTok, Snapchat, Telegram, and Pinterest in terms of the number of users, according to data from Statista. Stronger market competition over the past years has prompted Twitter to boost its spending on research and development and sales and marketing over the recent years. So it's talking here about losses mounting and also talking about Musk's $44 billion offer. So ahead of its earnings release on Thursday, Twitter became the subject of an acquisition offer from Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. On Monday, the New York Times reported that Twitter is close to reaching a deal to sell itself to Musk after the latter launched an unsolicited go-private bid worth $54.20, or a total transaction value of $44 billion. Musk has made his plans for Twitter quite clear, even before the billionaire built a 9.2% stake in the company for an estimated $2.9 billion. Musk has been vocal about how Twitter's policies quash free speech. However, the Tesla CEO has been notorious in the past for making big market-moving stunts that lead to bigger regulatory concerns for companies that he controls. So let's take a look here at some of the price action on Twitter. I've got the weekly time frame pulled up here. This thing made a big move down. It traded up to around $81 and then swung all the way down to almost $30, and then had this massive move and gap up here. And this downtrend line is still in play. So it came close to it right here, had a large rejection. Actually, the sellers crushed it right to that 100-day EMA. Dipped a little bit below, but it has blasted back above that moving average. So definitely a good sign there to get back above the 100-day EMA, but I'm still want to see what happens here. If this thing rallies to this trend line, has a nasty rejection, or starts to sell off from this trend line, I believe that will be a good short entry, because you can see here a move from about $30 up to about 55. That is a big move. And there's just a little bit of a retracement here if you kind of look at this chart. So kind of looking at this, there was definitely not even a 50% retracement after this move. So I definitely, still looking at this trend line, also looking at this moving average here. If this thing comes up here, again, starts to reject this or sell off from this level, I think it could be a little swing trade opportunity, short position, and then kind of see where the buyers might step in from there. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker TWTR or Twitter Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.